All right, so we've done the scheduling part, right? We pulled out, taken some time to do this. That's what kind of that first step is taking time to schedule. So now we've got the calendar, now we know what's going on, and we've got some recipes that we normally work with. So we're now going to shop from home. So shopping from home is in essence pulling out the recipes you normally use, but also taking a look at your pantry and your fridge and your freezer and seeing what you already have. There's no point in going to the grocery store to buy more chicken if you've got lots of chicken in your freezer, for example, right? You don't want to waste food. If you've got certain vegetables that need to be eaten up before they go bad, this is the time to make plans with that. So let's take a look at what you have. So if you have a certain amount of vegetables, check to see what vegetables could be in the recipes that you normally would eat, and we'll work with that, right? Go find what you already have to work with the recipes that you like. And then you go out and buy the items that you may need. Maybe one thing you need. Maybe it's you don't have any bread and you'd like to get bread, or you're out of lettuce and you want to make salads this week. That's fine, but knowing that you don't need to buy a lot of stuff is step one. And step two is don't go to the grocery store hungry, right? But these days, you don't even need to go to the grocery store, right? You can do the click and collect, you can do a delivery service and all that kind of stuff. And that is also creating a routine with that. And we can break that one down if you want to work with me more on one-on-one. I have a one-on-one session. Damn it.